How to change password in Deriv Go. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Whether it's for security or just want a fresh password on Deriv Go, the process is super easy. First of all, open the Deriv Go application on your mobile device, or you may also go visit the Deriv Go website. Either way, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper right corner and tap on the human icon. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, tap on Email and Passwords. Now, go ahead and click on Change Password option under Deriv Password, and you'll receive an email which you should go check on. Open up your email service provider's inbox. Make sure to open up the same email inbox associated with your Deriv Go account. Click Open the email from Deriv and click on Reset My Password. Select any web browser from the list. I'm gonna select my default web browser. If the Reset My Password button doesn't work, you can copy the link below into the browser. Simply go ahead and click on Open Link, and then you'll get to change your password on the next page. Enter a new password you want to change to, and you'll be good to go. So that is how you easily change your password on the Deriv Go account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.